Are you prepared for some fascinating facts about Tesla? As we delve into Tasha Keeney's most recent expert analysis, get ready to be astounded. Tasha has the inside word on recent developments from Elon Musk and the company, from the expansion of Tesla's insurance division to the possibility of a new 25,000 Tesla. Her earth-shattering knowledge might double your investment in Tesla. With Tesla's insurance plans, which are expected to cover more than 45 states by the end of 2023, Tasha has you covered. Hit the like button. It's a terrific moment to invest in the business, and who knows, Elon might have some surprises in store for us. Remain calm and prepare to be astounded by Tasha's astute observations and analysis. And don't forget that Tasha loves to invest using the dollar cost average into Tesla, so follow her lead and together we can explore what the future holds. Tasha recently made the following remarks in public. In my opinion, electric vehicles are here to stay in the long run. If I were Ford or any other traditional automaker, I would be really concerned because the most of their installed base and the cars they sell are gas-powered. I want to talk about a few newly released Tesla updates that could affect the firm next week, before we talk about two big occurrences that will instantly force Tesla stock to double. Although demand is more than ever and producers are surpassing supplies by a factor of 2, as disclosed in Tesla's most recent earnings presentation, the state of Texas will not start mass-producing Cybertrucks until 2024. The expansion of Tesla's insurance business, which is growing at a quarterly pace of 20%, is going to be my first catalyst for 2023. There is a huge possibility for Tesla to deliver up to 2 million vehicles in 2023. I wanted to hear in the comments if you thought Elon had something else in store for us, or if you thought we'd see a cheaper Tesla on March 1st. This new car might be the new $25,000 Tesla that we've all been waiting for. I brought up Tesla insurance because, although it's sometimes overlooked, consumers should pay attention. Before I go over the most recent developments that you may have missed, it's important to remember that one of my favorite investment strategies is the simple dollar cost average into Tesla. And if the stock drops 5 or 10%, I'll continue to buy more shares. Tesla Insurance is currently in top states. By the end of 2023, they plan to sell insurance in 45 states. Anyone familiar with Warren Buffett knows that he built his empire on the back of the insurance business decades ago in the automotive insurance market in the United States, which is about $300 billion today. This is because, in my opinion, Tesla still has a lot of room for growth and innovation. Contrary to what you may have heard or read in the media, Elon Musk is still alive. Many people had expressed concern that Tesla's reputation would suffer as a result of his appointment as Twitter CEO, but after hearing him speak, skeptics should feel more reassured than ever. The most frequent question we get from investors is about demand, and Elon responded, saying, I want to put that concern to rest by saying that so far in January, we've seen the strongest orders year to date than ever before. It's always been our goal at Tesla to make cars that are affordable for as many people as possible, so I'm glad that we're able to do so. I think there's just a huge number of people who I think Tesla will keep hitting all-time highs in sales. Tasha added, if you don't believe me, just listen to this. All things considered, we're also making very good progress on cost control, and we can measure it with the growth in production. So despite everything, Tesla will continue to break records time and time again. And hear me out, I know that speculating that Tesla could double in the next 12 months sounds completely crazy, but whether it happens or not, I still intend to buy Tesla stock whenever I can, little by little. Not to mention that Cathie Wood has a ridiculous price target for the next 5 to 10 years, and she has been buying the dip repeatedly. All of this suggests to me that Tesla needs to increase its profit, even in spite of its lofty price goals. Although I believe the firm is headed in the correct direction to accomplish both of these goals, I also believe that many conventional automakers are rushing to catch up with Tesla since they first mistrusted its capacity to meet consumer demand. Tasha talked about the latest developments and future prospects of Tesla. They think that electric cars are the way of the future, but since traditional audio manufacturers mostly offer gas-powered cars, they are facing difficulties. Tasha identifies two key events that might cause the price of Tesla shares to double. The expansion of the company's 2023, Tesla Insurance is presently present in the top. Business is headed in the right direction in terms of higher earnings and lower production costs. Let me briefly discuss a very unusual benefit of Tesla Insurance before we move on that most investors are not aware of. Tesla has adopted an innovative strategy for auto insurance, and it has the potential to be quite profitable for the business. For instance, fixing a Tesla electric car is expensive, which has caused the automaker and insurance companies to take different stances. Tesla CEO Elon Musk is making improvements to the vehicle's software and architecture in an effort to lower insurance premiums and repair expenses. Conversely, insurance companies are writing off low-mileage Tesla vehicles involved in collisions and reselling them at salvage auctions because of their exorbitant repair expenses. On Wednesday's Q4 earnings call for Tesla, Elon Musk claimed that third-party insurance premiums were too expensive and that Tesla's insurance division was helping to solve the problem by offering Tesla customers reduced rates. Musk also discussed the company's plan to use better software and design to lower the cost of fixing a Tesla in the case of an accident. It's amazing how little modifications to the bumper's design and the availability of replacement parts required for accident repair can have a significant impact on the cost of repairs. According to Musk, the majority of collisions are relatively minor, such as a scuffed side of the car or a broken fender. New information regarding the fate of low-mileage Tesla vehicles involved in accidents has not been included in Reuters research. According to data from Copart and IAA, the two leading U.S. salvage auction houses, most of the over 120 model years that were certified total losses following collisions and put up for auction in December and January had less than 10,000 miles on the odometer. These cars range in retail price from $60,000 to more than $80,000. The kind of incident the car was in was mentioned in the auction postings, which also typically include pictures taken after the collision, but don't go into great depth about how much damage was done. When repairs are judged to be too expensive, insurance companies typically declare a car to be a total loss and provide the owner compensation. The Copart listings occasionally list the insurance firms that repurchased the totaled cars and put them up for auction. These companies include Federal Farm, Progressive, Geico, and Farmers. During Wednesday's results call, Geico was a Berkshire Hathaway subsidiary, owned by Warren Buffett. According to Tesla CFO Zachary Kirkhorn, the company's insurance had generated $300 million in premiums annually, growing by 20 quarters in a single quarter. This growth rate outpaced Tesla's automotive business growth rate. Reuters examined every model year, and the research focused on 2022 and 2023 models made at the Fremont plant in California, or the Austin plant in Texas. Out of the 15 Model Ys long-range, all but one of the cars, which were manufactured in Austin between June and November, had less than 10,000 miles on the odometer when they were totaled. A Fastad, the selling price of the Austin-built Collision 2022 Model Y long range, which was listed by IAA in early January, was $61,388 with an anticipated repair cost of $50,388. The car's owner was not identified. The selling price of an Austin construction that was involved in a side collision and was enlisted by IAA was $72,667, with an estimated repair cost of $43,814. That brings an end to our conversation for this video. Get a Wall Street Game subscription right away if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video, so make sure to hit the like button.